Manipurda Central Force ki personnel lising humpu hena deploy tawrabasu kuki khulai paiba singi makhutagi micham miyam ngak senbang ngamtre haina International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA gi working president Kuraiza Mathobana Yankai Taret Suba United Nations Human Rights Council gi kuntaruk suba mifamda phongdokre Mifam aduda mahakna makha tana hai numit chamanga helaklaba Manipur gi irang asina yellow furup singda achoba threat ama ohele Government of India ga santi gi wari sanariba chinku ki narco terrorist group sing asina tamthiba ate kaya micham miyam da chathaduna haukiba tha tara manga romasi laklabani Kuki khulai paiba sing asina drone bombing tawduna amade kilometer taret lapa mafam dagi rocket bomb phauba kapsilaktuna micham kaya gi punsi khangu takta mangankhre matam kharagi mamangda kuki khulai paiba chamapan rom Myanmar dagi Manipurda changsilakre amade micham miyam gi mathakta landarakna ba siam sakre haina security advisor na confirm tawkre asigumba kuki khulai paiba singi ka henba thawong sing asi lakshinaba Central Force ki personnel lising kumpu hena Manipurda deploy tawrabasu irang asi Government of India na lakshin bang ngamdana leiri Hojik thokliba irang amade irang asida lengakna micham miyam ngak senbang ngamdaba sina lamdam asigi yellow furup singdi nung ani gi marakta ha oiduna hostage situation amada leiri Manipurda hojik oirakliba phibam aside lamdam asi khaktagi oiba issue natre masidi Southeast Asia gi khwaidagi liraba furup singi manungda ama oiriba furup ama Muthat Kragadra Haibagi Akiba du Lakle, Maramaduna Government of India na Ngakpi Senbiba Ngamdrabadi Yellow Furup Singasi Kanaba Council Asida Takshin Bio, Marilainaba Mandate Office Sing assigned to Dunamade, Akanaba Repertas Haduna, Weregliba Pipa Masulakshin Naba Konabada Mateng Pang Bio Haina, Kuraiza Mathobana Makatana Council Gipunik Jingsinke.
Over the past 15 months, armed groups belonging to Chinkuki narco-terrorist groups who are under peace talks with the government of India have launched violent attacks using drone bombings and rockets from far as 7 kilometers away. The situation has escalated to a different level, targeting civilian areas resulting in several and destruction of properties. Recent alerts reported by the chairman of the Unified Command confirms that approximately 900 Kuki militants have infiltrated Manipur from across the Indo-Myanmar border, planning coordinated assaults against the native population. Despite the deployment of over 60,000 Indian troops in the region, there has been little effective action, raising concerns of government complicity and an apparent prioritization of geopolitical interests over the security of its own native citizens. Manipur's indigenous people are now trapped in a hostage-like situation caught between escalating violence and ineffective state protection. This is not just a regional crisis, it is a grave human rights emergency with far-reaching implications threatening the very existence of one of the oldest civilizations in Southeast Asia. We urge this council to intervene to protect the native people of Manipur, where the Indian government has failed till date, to assign relevant mandate office and special rapporteurs to assess the ever-deteriorating situations in the region, and also to recognize the threat of immigrant armed narco-terrorism and take necessary actions to stop it from spiraling further. We urgently seek your immediate attention.